Hi guys. Oh, hi guys even. Today is epic. Today I got to 100 subscribers. I just can't believe it. I just really can't believe it. When I first did this, I thought that if I got to 100 in a year, I would be, I would be over the moon. I was very frightened, like I think a lot of people are who do this, that you know, people just wouldn't like me. And it seems that 100 of you do. Now I know 2 of those are my daughters. But oh guys, I can't tell you how chuffed I am. I just can't tell you. I don't have words. So of course it's a giveaway, my first ever, and I have filled this a beautiful box with all manner of things. I'm really tempted to show you, but I don't want to. There are some, let me see, makeup things, of course, things that smell nice. There's the odd little thing for around the house. I think it's a pretty special box because I haven't been doing this long enough to have collected tons and tons and tons of things from other boxes. So I went shopping, and I went shopping all over the place, and I had great fun. And I can honestly say that there isn't a thing in this box that I wouldn't like to keep. But I just, you don't know what it means, really. I am a 52-year-old old bird. I am not particularly beautiful, particularly clever, particularly funny. I'm just an ordinary empty nest mum, grandma, woman who wanted to make friends, and I feel like I already have. Some of you have become so special to me already, I can't really put it into words. So this is my giveaway. I know there won't be very many people entering because the fact that I've got 100 subscribers probably means that there's only about 25 that watch. And I don't care. This is a special box. You don't have to do anything special for this. You just have to be one of my subscribers, obviously, and just say hi and just be yourselves. And what date is it today? Oh, I can't remember my glasses. It's the 30th today. So if I said, shall I say next? No, that's too long. Wait a week. We're going to wait a week. I don't know what the normal gap is for people to, I suppose a week. Okay, we'll do a week. We'll try and do a week. So anyone that comments on this and says congrats or hi or anything really, other than, you know, get off you silly old woman, I'll enter you in the draw for this box full of goodies. I just wanted to say thank you. Really, thank you. I'm one of the invisible women. There's lots of us. We've been young. We've been beautiful. The best I was anyway. We've married, we've had kids, we've brought them up, we've got the grey hairs, we've got the grandchildren. But the world has decided that we're not really of very much value anymore. You know, we're there to work, cook dinner, you know, babysit sometimes. We're not special anymore. That's what the world says. And I don't want to be that woman, and I don't want any of you to be that woman. I've been through some trials in my life, difficult times. This is me living my best life, and living my best life already with some very special people. Now normally I know people say things like we can't do international. This is my first box, so I'm doing international too. I don't care where you come from. If you're a friend of mine, you are in the draw. I know I might not always be able to say that, but this time for sure I'm saying that, knowing well aware what it costs to post internationally. But it's not a biggie. What is a biggie is that 100 of you, in fact to be precise today it was 103, but I'm not counting 2 because they're my daughters. 101 of you have started watching me or liked me or subscribed to me just because they wanted to, and they thought I was okay. And I think you're all okay. And anyway, that's it. It's just a short video for my giveaway. I don't really want to show anything that's in here. I'm just trying to think. Should I show anything that's in here? No. Maybe whoever gets it, if they happen to be a YouTuber, will do an unboxing of it. And if they're not a YouTuber, I don't care. I went out and I bought some things that I thought I would love to have, and I hope, and I've tried to cover all the, you know, the options. It's not just beauty, it's not just makeup, it's not just skin cream, it's not just, it's all sorts of fun little things that I think I'd like to unbox. It's my version of a subscription box. You're my subscribers, this is my box. Oh, I don't know whether that's quite the way I meant it to be. Anyway, I'm chuffed. As you probably can tell, I'm a bit giddy with the whole thing. So I just want again to say thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I love you all, and good luck, and please do enter. Okay, bye guys.